What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome to today's vlog. And actually, I'm trying to shoot these videos on evening time. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It shall depend the time where I'm watching this video from the far end. And actually, guys, I know you missed for my project for the long maybe time, like 2 days. And I hope my house were very clean, guys. And you can look, it's shining like twinkle stars, guys. So I thank God for this far, and everything is possible when you believe in God and be trustful. Everything shall be good. And today, guys, today's videos, it's an amazing one. So after this, I'm take you to my project and to see what is going on. But today I didn't dig the toilet because the money that I have, it reached at 10 feet. So right now I'm trying maybe to look for the driver who have big lorries to bring for me stones for the foundation of my project. And I think so far so good. It's one courtesy of my subscriber supporting me on one trump of the stones. I really appreciate you. And guys, you know, construction is so hectic in terms of maybe constructing maybe something like my project. They need like one roll of sand, but already I thank God I get one roll of stones, and I thank God for this far. Everything shall be possible, guys. Trust me. You know, I came from this small family, and I thank God. As you can see right there, the kids have been played right there. So that's my friend to my sister. And then technically I take you outside, guys. So let me show you. This is my house, but my introduction starts from here. So as you can see, guys, right now I have the chairs, so I must close my brother's room. So right here, this is my room. Right, this is my room, as you can see. So right now, this is my chair, and I have a nice table. And guys, to precise, guys, you already done amazing job for me, guys. So right here, nowadays I have a good table. Even you can see this big 5 wild animal. Among us of them, we have elephant over here. It's kind of like it's on game park. You can see the grass going that way, but this is my table. There's my chair even here. So I want to show you my TV. It's over here. I thank God I have the stand, you know. All right, I bought some beautiful flowers here. So let me show you. Let me show you, guys. No more hide, you know. When I put like this, it's amazing one. It's amazing one. It's amazing one. You know, these some flowers, but for the guy who made this flower, I'm trying to talk with her to make for me the flag of US and Jamaica and my country, Kenya, guys. You can see flower been shining, guys. Wow. But I show you what I have bought and kept on my house. So let me return back here like that way, guys. You know, this is how I arrange my house, and then I think everything shall be good, guys, and fantastic, you know. So right now, guys, I have my TV over here. I thank you, guys, and this TV is one of my courtesy of my subscriber bought for me. Hey, there's some chicken disturbing me, you know. So right now I have my TV stand here. You can see even this stuff here, but this is my tea, guys. I want to show you. Wow, it's amazing one. But when I get power, guys, or electricity, it can run, but it's slowly by itself. So let me take you outside, you know, guys. Wow, so this is my basket. To do here a mop, and you mop my house. So for now, story for another day. Amazing ceiling board to show you, maybe in case you're new here. I show you what is going on, but I thank God every day my introduction starts from my house. Trust me. So I give you a quick tour to my project. Maybe after this, guys, I was coming from the shower, so you can see my basin. Right, I must wear the shoes. Some kids are playing here. Everybody say hello. You don't know. My sister say hello.
Hello.
Yes, say hello. Hello. They wanna pray here, guys. It reminds me when I was young. But for me, I didn't play this game. I play maybe rolling the tires. You know. Right. So right here's my mom. Hey. Hey. Can I go home? Hey. This is our small kitchen. No problem like this. Right, so I was struggling with this door. So you can see how my mom lights a fire. So they put here beans. So let me show you. I take the cooking stick, this one here. But right now it's on process, you can see. So these beans over here. Oh man, I can't wait to share with you. So right now she's gonna be sweeping here. After chicken. Yeah, so that's how they prepare some beans for maybe supper. Not maybe, that's supper, earlier supper, and then maybe rice. Alright, our supper. You know, guys, nowadays we change our diet, so I'm heading outside. Everything shall be good and good. So I take you to my project, guys. I know I was running out of my project. So right here we have water. This is my grandma cow. Alright, so technically I'm heading this way, but I think when I'm going to border town, maybe when I found that guy, they're gonna maybe pour here some stones. Trust me. Trust me. This is my mother over here. Right. So I'm keep going, man. So as you know, most of the time here, when I want to hire, when I want to look for those drivers who have big machine or big vehicles or big tractors like tippers, so I must go to border town. I look for her. No contact, guys, or I look for him. No contact. But I'm going by myself, facing or looking for him right and left until when I meet with him. So they brought for me stones of my project. And right here, this Monkia jet. I thank you, Monkia, wherever you are, bro. You made it possible. Nowadays, I have my own motorbike right here. I thank you. So I can't complain, guys. You know, if it's a second hand, but it's keep help me all the time. But when the time goes, like, let me say, like 2 to 3 years, I wanna bought another motorbike, but sport bike, so I can give you maybe amazing content from outside of my village. But this one I can use maybe going to border town, going to Congrat mom's home, going to Nyabohanse right here. But it's not meant for long distance. Alright, so Monkia, I thank you, bro. Right now I have my own machine, so I'm heading this way. And actually it's our highway to my project. You know, it's not far, but on my videos people say, oh hello baby, you put your toilet so far to your home. Guys, my home is here. Even you can see my home is here. So as you can see how my mom, they tried to fetch maybe some fire. They're struggling maybe here. Right, so maybe to cook some beans and mix, guys, with rice, you know. So nowadays we change our diet. Alright, guys, so let's go and see what is going on. So I was on the topic of maybe of my audience ask me, you put some toilet right there far away from home. Guys, it's like 100 meters from home up to my toilet over here. It just not 100, maybe 80s. I think 80s there to 70 from my home up to here. But this is my highway to my project, guys. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this video for today? Can you give a like, comment, and also share, guys. You know, love is for free, guys. I can't complain on this. So the money that I have, I want to tell you guys the reality. It's one of cutters of my subscriber again from maybe Australia. For this is another maybe subscriber who maybe supporting me and then to start this project. But I see when I start alone to dig 2 feet, but I know it's too hectic. So I can't go maybe deep. Like you can see here, I'm going deep and then I dig my own myself and then throw the sand or put some container. It's so hectic. So I bring some my neighbor's village boy to dig for me this borehole. So I dig 10 feet and we remain with 20 feet. So we remain with 10 feet to go. So the total feet that are needed here, it's 20 feet. So right now I dig 10. So I remain with 10. So guys, by God's grace, I think I shall made it, guys. You know, I shall made it. I must tell you what there's maybe some challenge that I'm facing here, right and left. But in case my store touch you guys, you can support maybe in order I'm standing here today to support this family, maybe to have a toilet like this. And you know, hygiene are very important to the community. And maybe in case people of health community when pass around, when he missed, we don't have a toilet, we don't have bathroom, we are in trouble. But here we have, but that toilet, old one, it's on bad condition. That's why we see I'm trying maybe to make this one here, this one, and at least to make a modern one. You know, a modern can stay here or can last for the long time. So the stone that I'm going maybe to purchase, but I'm not sure of that. So when I meet with that guy, so when he brought that stone, I will make a video. When he postponed maybe tomorrow, guys, please sorry. You wanna forgive me? Yeah. So I know I'm not cheating you. When I'm getting maybe some information from him that he was busy, maybe he wanna brought tomorrow, I will make a video on that. But today I'm on this project and I told you what I'm missing here, like steel bar, cement and sand. But for sure when I have like 20 cement, I wanna start maybe my project from the foundation and 1 tramp of the sand, you know. So 1 tramp of the sand, it can go to 6,000 Kenyan money. And then maybe when I have 20 cement, I can start my project. Already, I thank God, I have 1 tipper of the stone for the huge stone for arranging. And they want to dig here some foundation like 2 feet going that way and then cross. So for the strong of the foundation of this my project over here. All right, so I thank God I have managed. I have already have 1 tipper of the stones, so I remain with maybe 1 tipper and 20 cement. I can start this project, and maybe by the time goes, maybe when I bring like 2 mason here, like 1 mason, they can arrange here stones. So guys, watch this video until the end. It's all about my project, guys. So maybe after this we shall see another things to do. So right here we have some goats. This is my grandma goat. Although this goat, maybe these kids of the goat, it's shocking one. It's a shocking story because their mom died or passed away and then they remain like orphan goats. So but it's doing good. When it's grazing, it's okay. So, and over here, this is my grandma maize. You can see it's mature, guys. And maybe after that, they wanna maybe dried and then brought to the portion mill. Right, so after this, maybe guys, let me check our cows and I see what's going there. And before I leave my village, you know, it's just like my daily routine. I must check our cows and then I left, you know. So right now, right and left, we have maize. you have some veggies on the garden. So I must guys, I must check it. So outside, this is my house over here, but I thank my mom. He built for me a house, me and my brother over here. So I'm just renovate it, but soon after my project ended, I wanna maybe start constructing some veranda here around my house. So today it's raining, so as you can see. Right, so let's check our cows. But when I have money, by God's grace, I will expand maybe to build my house over there. I'll buy this land, maybe half of them, and then maybe to put my house here, so maybe to stay with my mom. But as you can see guys, from the far end, it's a dark clouds, so it means today it's wanna be raining. Guys. So I'm passing on these trees, check our cows. Wow, it's amazing day by itself guys. So I'm trying to shoot this video on Tuesday noon time guys, from Africa. You are an amazing one. My family, I can't complain guys. So I'm passing on these trees, so I'm heading this way, right, to check our cows, man. Oh man. So it's just like my daily routine. So as you can see, my mom have already been given some maize, stuff from the maize, so it's chewing. And when you watch my videos, my current video or my old video, this cow have been attacked by anemia, but it wanna be injected, and right now it's okay and it's grazing guys, and it's health made guys. Wow. This is my friend. So that's our first cow. So I wanna check another one over here. Woo, man, beautiful sceneries on my village here. So today we have a lot of rain, a lot of wind here. At the same time, the rain, it's gonna become or rain soon. So I'm just maybe harash these videos, and then I'm heading to Border Town. I look for the driver and then do so. Wow. Oh, what's up man? You good? Yeah. We have an amazing cow, beautiful cows. That's my mom. I thank my mom. She wanna try the best. 100%. She was hardworking. I wanna recognize on that, because congratulations to my biological mother, guys. You know, she was hard work woman on this village, guys, as you can see over here. Right, so we have another one here, a bull one, the stubborn one. Wow. Ooh, one day maybe you can be like to pay maybe a dowry. No problem. Look, it's a stubborn cow, man. Right, so thank you so much guys. So stay tuned, more amazing is coming from here. So I see my mom. She wanna come with the stuff from the banana, or we call matoke in Uganda. If you are in Uganda, you have already know matoke. So the remaining or some branches of the banana or stacks. So already it's stacks. So they want it to be cut and given the cow. You know. So I want to know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about this video for today? Can you give a like, comment, and also share? You can see, wow, boom. Right, so the stuff that my mom brought here is this one here, the boom. Wow, look. They chop in small maybe. Wow. So guys, I'm not bragging things. So look what my mom she wanna do. Maybe in your country there's maybe this kind of process or activity, maybe taking care of your cows like this, or we use machine, guys. So but here we use manpower. Right. As I told you guys, my mom she was hard work women on this village here. 90% most of the women she doesn't like some hard job, but for my mom, every single day Maybe when she wanna stop, maybe during night time. So she went back to the bed. Right, so look. Boom. Wow. Wow. Right, guys, so I'm heading to Border Town. So right, my mom there. If you are new, in case you're new here, that is my biological mom. So I thank God, guys. I have one single parent. That is my mother there. So right, there's a vehicle passing over there, so I'm looking on there. So I thank God, guys, to have my beloved mom, and then she do for me everything, guys. So I thank God, 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 guys, for this far. And today it's sunny day. At the same time, the rain is coming from right there. So let me check my brother's project also, guys, also you know, at the same time I have my own project for doing some toilet and constructing the modern one. At the same time, my brother have the own project, maybe planting kales, making bricks. So let me take you there, and then I think I'll go to Border Town. I go to Border Town. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. So every day, this is my grandma home. You can see, very beautiful compound. Every day I wanna pass on maybe some challenges, but I thank God. I thank God, guys. You can see it's almost to rain, guys. It's dark. This is my grandma car. Right, so another one right here. So it's almost to rain, so you can see dark. So it's different on other side. Wow. At the far end, that's my mom maize. So we rented on that land. So this is my brother's project. So as you can see, guys, we have a lot of kales on its line. But yesterday he was spray or adding chemical on this. Wow, you can see a lot of kales, guys. Wow. So I can't go far away. So let me take you to the another project of my brother, guys. And let me know in the comment section. It's dark over here. What do you think about these videos? Wow. So my brother's project is this one. They make bricks here. So as you can see, this is the polythene paper. So the bricks is this one here. In case you don't know, this is some bricks. You see? Wow, look. We have many of them. So let me return it here. We have many of them, and they cut trees. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming from here. I'm heading to Border Town, guys. Wow. Guys, look over here. We have goats here, and it's grazing alongside of the road. So I'm keep going to Nyabohanse, and then I pass there, and then I'm going to Border Town, guys. So I keep running with time, at the same time raining is coming, so you can see, and maybe to have experience. Wow. Yeah. So the good thing when you buy a land here, you must fence with a barbed wire. As you can see over there, does have been fenced. So we try our best to go. Wow. At the same time, guys, I'm shooting these videos and I'm riding. So this is how I normally do. Yeah. Look, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video for today, guys. It's an amazing one. Wow. Cow. Woo. It's a tough journey by itself. So I keep going far away. So the rain is coming, but we try our best cows here, goats. Oh yeah, right. I'm past this way. So right. Whew. I'm going, guys, and this village have been developed over here. You can see beautiful house. Perimeter wall. Wow. We're almost to my sister's school where she learned, guys. We are almost. Wow. Shop over here. We have church. There. Wow. So kids are almost to go back evening time. So this is my sister's school over here. Marab. Right. Going some boats over here. Oh man, so stay tuned. Right, so it's evening time over here. So I'll keep going right, the sun was going that way. Amazing, guys. House. Wow. And we have church here. It's a Roman Catholic over here. Wow. Going back home after school. Alright guys, so I'm in Border Town. I and Uncle Mo from Kenya.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
We are just moving in this town. This is Uncle Mo from Kenya with the Haro Baby here. Guys, you can just check Haro Baby.
Yes.
Subscribe to Haro Baby.
Alright.
Show love Haro Baby. We are just been here.
Yeah.
Following a thief.
Today.
They always abusing us. We want to stop that guy.
And then Uncle Mo,
we are not that much to say. I'm very happy to welcome you back here. Enjoy and give a video like. Yeah.
Alright Uncle Mo, I'm heading somewhere else. I want to pick one of my driver and then to drop for me some stones for my toilet.
Amazing!
Amazing one.
That's a very heavy project.
Alright.
Let the people tune on and then they watch the project.
Alright, so let me pick her.
Yeah.
And you go. Okay. So guys, I'm just here. I want to pick one of the driver who have the big lorries. And then oh, right, they come this way. Whew. Oh, sorry guys, I was cutting across the road. And then I'm heading this way, so I want to pick one of the driver who have some big tramper to drop for me some stones, guys. And then I hope you wanna enjoy these videos. Kindly give a like. So this is some petrol station over here. We call Ruby's. You can see right there. Bus turn and happen. Right. Okay, so I'm in this Border Town over here. Yeah, so it's a clean town everywhere. Pikipiki Uncle Mo ndo ameniacha hapa. Right guys. There is some road construction going over here. Big bulldozers over here. beautiful sceneries on this border town. I'm writing up a portion made over here. Yeah. Right. So this is how border town looks like, and we just drop maybe the sun, and then we go to pick my stuff over here. We have a nice restaurant here. Yeah. Right. Some welding are going on here. Back to maybe it's lunchtime, so we need to drop and then go back maybe to pick my stones, guys. Guys, so this tractor, they will need to be full over here, so let me go back home. So maybe I will wait. You know, always patient pays. So I left the lorry to be full, and then they bring for me stuff which is amazing to my project. Alright guys, so I came from border town, and maybe guys, it's not maybe, so sorry for that. So my conversation between I and my driver, it's failed maybe guys. So he told me the Trump have, or the big vehicles or lorries have some issues, so they wanna drop for me tomorrow morning some stones for my project. So right now my videos, it's all about my project. So as you can see, it's evening time over here, so everywhere guys there is some sand alongside the road. But for me, I'm trying to buy one tipper or one tramper for the sand. I think it could be finished from the foundation, for doing everything, slab, everything, plastering, and with one maybe one tipper of the balance stones, and I think it can be finished. But in terms of labor, I will be a handman and maybe to pay the mason on. So my drive is coming from there, right? Yeah. So this is my motorbike. Right guys, if you don't know, this is my neighbor here. So he was running, so he was running somewhere else. Right, so the stone that I need is like this one over here. Wow. So this is how the beauty of our village looks. Now, so this is how it looks like. Yeah. Our village is still developing, guys. You can see from the far end. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos, guys, and I hope you wanna enjoy and right here at the police station. Right, wow, Yabanse village guys to the world. Wow, I'm just born and raised in this small village over here. Wow. Hey guys, what do you think about this video for today? But for sure, my conversation between Ahmed and my driver who brought some stones. Wow. So this is how Japan looks like. In case you're new here. Pole pole. Yeah. I'm senior name.
We are our fellow member there passed away. So we as a group of Boda Boda, we have to contribute.
You have a funeral?
Yeah, we have
at the far end, right there.
Yeah.
Oh, sawa, haina shida. Nipe 50.
Sawa.
Yeah. So guys, he has a funeral here. So guys, I contribute maybe the money. You have one of our brother pass away. Sasa sijui kama ziko.
Sawa boy. Sawa.
Right. Hey. Special cars over here. So right there, that's Grandpa Hardware. Wow. Okay, this is how Nyabohansa looks like. In case you're new here, evening time. Alright. Wow. So it's evening over here. You can see. And let me know in the comment section what you think about this video. Alright, guys, I contribute the money because we lost one of our family, maybe one of our village. Sorry for that. So I contribute the money, the little money that I have, maybe we can push back the so I'm going back to there. Go. Go. Go there. Right. So I'm going back home, guys. Tanane रहता है भाई. What's up? No problem. I think, guys, I reach home and it's evening time. So guys, I want to end maybe my video here. So this is my best friend over here and he's my neighbor over there. Just like 200 meters apart from my home here up to there. So we didn't stay far. So guys, I'm said my mission failed. I and my driver who brought for me some stones. So maybe tomorrow, guys, I'm not blagging things. You know, you want to understand, maybe there's some challenge, maybe people can pass and there's some issue that is going on. But I thank God, guys. I think I do things, guys, slowly, guys. Slowly. There's some. I heard some noise for the goat right there. So it is what it is, guys. So it's evening time here, and I think I done maybe my morning routine, evening routine, maybe taking cows outside, taking maybe inside. So it's just normal here. You know, it's just normal here. So let me show you. Baba Rosongoro. Right, that's my mom over here. Hey. Alright, that's my mom over here. So as I told you, it's a morning routine, you see. Right, so it's evening time. At the same time, my brother came from the school fetching water from my neighbor over there. So it is what it is, guys. So let me know in the comment section what do you think about these videos? Kindly give a like, comment and share, guys. So I want to end my video here by saying, guys, you always keep supporting me by watching my videos, comment, share, and wherever you are, much greeting, guys, for the last time. Much greeting from East Africa, Kenya here, Nyabohanse village to the world, guys. I want to say bye-bye, guys, my beloved people. We shall meet for the next video, which is tomorrow, and it's a huge surprise by itself, guys. So by today, our mission failed, guys, for sure. All right, guys, bye-bye.